Hi, this is Betsy Scott with the Housing Innovation Alliance. I'm very excited to show you a new tool that we've introduced to the industry. It's available on our website and free to anyone who wants to take a look and take advantage of it. So what it is it's our offsite solution provider's heat map. In order to get to the heat map, go to our homepage, which is housinginnovationalliance.com, click on the What's New section, and then within that section, there's actually a separate link for the heat map. So why did we create a heat map? We have been looking at offsite construction for several years, and a lot of production home builders and developers told us that they were interested in looking at this space, but they couldn't visualize where all of the providers were and who they might be able to work with. So we saw that there were some maps with other providers in the industry, other industry trade associations, but those maps tend to include folks who work for commercial only as well as some companies who deliver direct to consumer. So what we've done is we've partnered with groups like SBCA, Modular Building Institute, NHB, with the direction of three of our champions that you see on the screen here, Ibicus, DuPont, and Whelan Advisory, to create a map that's actually tailored toward production home building, whether it's on the developer side or the builder side. So if you scroll down on this page, you can actually see the heat map that we've created. And we've currently got a number of component providers, as well as modular providers, modular kitchen and bath pod providers, as well as certified framers on the map. So we're very excited about this, and if you're interested in looking at this and using this tool in more detail, each of these groups that I've just mentioned, you can see their tags at the bottom of the screen here. And if you want to look at a particular type of company, you can just click off the categories that you're not interested in. So just at a very high level, components, manufacturers, those are people who do kits of parts, whether it's wood or metal, like a BMC or a bone structure, or somebody in that arena, as well as people who do roof trusses, floor trusses, wall panels. But those companies with that yellow tag, the component manufacturer, don't actually do the installation as well. Now, if you're looking for somebody who does installation, that's the key difference between the yellow dots, the orangey yellow dots, and actually the orange dots. I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer so it's easier for you to see some of those dots on the map. So that's the difference, the main difference between those two. Then we also have modular companies, and in modular circumstances, we mean volumetric. So companies that will ship out larger sections of buildings that actually together will create a complete house or a complete multifamily housing development, complete building. Then we also have kitchen and bath pods as the blue circle. There's only a few of those in the country, but those are companies that will actually create in the factory kitchen and bath pods, so the smaller volumetric pieces of a house that will ship to you in the field, and you can incorporate them with the rest of the housing structure. And then the final category on this map currently is certified framers. So those are folks who are part of the systems build, or the framing council, excuse me, for the SBCA. So those are companies that have proven track records in actually installing components in the field and have been verified by SBCA. So that's just a quick overview, and be sure to watch some of our other demos to see more about the features and functionality of the map.